If you're looking for a simple and effective way to share a live website walkthrough with your audience, CrankWheel is a tool that can help make it easy and seamless. But does it really deliver on its promise, or are there better alternatives out there for your specific needs? Stick with me to the end of this video, where I'll not only walk you through CrankWheel's features, but also introduce some awesome alternatives that might serve you even better. CrankWheel is designed to simplify sharing your website live with viewers, which is great for sales teams, support agents, or anyone who needs to guide someone through a website in real time. The first thing you'll notice with CrankWheel is its ease of use. You can share a live walkthrough directly with just a link, no app downloads required for your audience. Whether you're showing off a feature or explaining a complex process, you just click a button and share your screen instantly. Next, CrankWheel offers screen sharing with a twist, no need for complicated video conferencing tools. It's a lightweight solution that lets you focus on what matters, the website itself. While this simplicity is great, there are trade-offs. For instance, CrankWheel doesn't allow for much customization during the walkthrough, so if you're looking for a more dynamic experience with drawing tools or annotations, you might find it limiting. The third thing is CrankWheel's customer experience. While the support team is responsive, it's not as robust as some competitors. The platform doesn't have the same level of integrations, and you might run into limitations if you need more than basic features. This brings us to the next point, pricing. CrankWheel's pricing can be tricky to navigate. While they offer a free plan, it's pretty restrictive, and you'll likely need to opt for one of their paid plans to get the full feature set, especially if you're aiming for higher quality calls. Now, let's talk about competitors. If you're looking for an alternative, one thing to consider is how CrankWheel compares to tools like Zoom or Google Meet. Both offer better overall features for collaboration, but they come with their own set of complexities. Zoom might be overkill if all you need is to share your screen, and Google Meet lacks some of the live walkthrough capabilities that CrankWheel offers. So if simplicity is your goal, CrankWheel could be a decent fit. But if you're after more flexibility and additional features, you might be better off with another tool. The fourth thing I want to point out is the free trial. While CrankWheel does offer a trial, it's not the most generous when compared to some alternatives that offer extended access or more features upfront. Speaking of which, I've got an exclusive and extended free trial for CrankWheel through our link, but here's the kicker. I'm going to show you a few tools that might even be better for sharing live website walkthroughs. These alternatives also have free trials, and they offer more customization and flexibility in how you interact with your audience. By using our link, you'll unlock the best possible trial and exclusive benefits just for our viewers. If you're still looking to streamline your website walkthroughs, check out the links in the description. I promise you won't want to miss these other tools that might be better suited for your needs. So there you have it. CrankWheel does its job well for live website walkthroughs, but if you want something with more features and a better trial offer, you might want to explore other options. Be sure to check the description for exclusive deals and trials.